Working with Hunter MFC equipment data and inherited an HNL file, this format stores measurement data from HunterLab instruments. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Hunter MFC data files. I call this the last resort solution for those HNL files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. HNL files are data files used by Hunter MFC software associated with HunterLab color measurement instruments. They store color measurement data, instrument readings, sample identifiers, test parameters, and analysis results, enabling color quality control specialists to maintain comprehensive measurement records for industrial color analysis. HNL data files typically use a HunterLab-defined structured format, storing color measurement values across various color spaces, sample metadata measurement, timestamps, instrument calibration data, and statistical analysis results. The format integrates with HunterLab software workflows for color quality control reporting. The best utility for reliable viewing of HNL is known to be unknown software by unknown developer. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows shows only basic file facts, so deeper investigation requires the correct program. To unlock the specific file type, right-click your HNL file and select Open With. If unknown software is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. We are looking for the software that recognizes the header. If the HNL file is still giving you trouble, relax. Now, it boils down to just 3 possibilities. We've prepared a simple list detailing these common culprits and the steps to verify them. First, opening in Hunter MFC software. Install the Hunter MFC software from HunterLab, or use the Easy Match QC software, which is the modern HunterLab measurement application. Use File then Open to load the HNL file. The application displays measurement data sample lists and analysis results in its color quality control interface. Next, exporting to standard formats. Within the HunterLab software, use the export function to convert HNL data to CSV, Excel, or PDF formats. These standard formats enable sharing measurement data with team members who lack HunterLab software, importing data into laboratory information management systems, and creating documentation for quality reporting. Finally, contacting HunterLab support. For specific HNL file access issues or legacy file compatibility, contact HunterLab customer support. They provide assistance with software updates, file format migration, and recovering measurement data from older HNL files. Include the HunterLab instrument model and software version when contacting support for accurate guidance. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit FileMagick.com for more info. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.